Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. New opportunity by Mailbox Benjamin. This is called uh, Mailbox Bank System. Yes, Mailbox Bank System that you can get paid out 200, get paid out $200. All you do is follow the rules in this video like you see here. You get $200 payout and go from here. Here is my downline information. If you need more information, or just download the flyer and follow the rules. You can call and text that phone number, Mailbox Bank System by Mailbox Benjamin, and you go from there. I'm going all in this year. Y'all keep looking. So I can't make no money. This is a new year. People are broke. They ain't got nothing going on. So I'm going to play this video for you. New opportunity by Mailbox Benjamin, the owner, Mr. Martin Buckley. He's a good guy. He have done a lot of programs. Cheap. He does this. He got the stamp program. If you need leads and stamp, I'm the guy to buy stamps and lead from for this information. All right, here's the audio overview about this opportunity. Here you go.
Welcome to the Mailbox Bank System Flyer Program audio overview. When you join the Mailbox Bank System Flyer Program, you will receive in the mail a complete marketing kit with a personalized flyer with your name and address in box number 1. You will also get a step-by-step quick start guide, a list of buyer leads dealers, a list of dealers who sell discounted stamps, a list of legit print and mail dealers, along with free unlimited help and support from the admin, by phone, text, or email, plus a special free bonus. So everything you need is in the marketing kit to help you start making $200 direct payments over and over again. Your potential earnings with the Mailbox Bank System Flyer Program is unlimited. With just 4 sales per month, you will earn $800. With only 12 sales per month, you will earn $2,400. And with 20 sales per month, you will make $4,000. Now, imagine instead of getting 4 to 20 sales per month, you get 4 to 20 sales per week. Anything is possible with the Mailbox Bank System Flyer Program. If you follow the steps in the quick start guide and just take action. With just 3 sales with the Mailbox Bank System Flyer Program, you're in profit. So please stop wasting your time with low ticket offers and learn how to start making real passive income from home with the Mailbox Bank System starting today. Now, as a free special bonus, the admin will print and mail out 500 of your Mailbox Bank System flyers with your name and address in box number 1. This will help get you started making money faster. So take advantage of this free bonus and join the Mailbox Bank System Flyer Program today. The admin is so confident that you will make money with the Mailbox Bank System Flyer Program that he will give you 90 days to test it out. And if after 90 days, you have not received at least 3 $200 sales, he will give you a no questions asked, full refund, so you have nothing to lose. So don't wait. Join the Mailbox Bank System Flyer Program today.
Okay, there you go.
Welcome to the Mailbox.
There you go. As you can see, the Mailbox Bank System. The audio overview will tell you everything about what's going on. As you can see here, that's the kit you're going to get. That's all the kits you're going to get right here. $200. We all got $200. So yeah, join today. Mailbox Bank System on this day, January 1st. 02/2026, brought to you by Mailbox Bank System, that you can earn $200 payout every time. The $200 going to come to you. It's going to come to the admin, and you go get $200 in the mailbox. Cash App, money order, it doesn't matter. You just got to read the flyer and go from there. Yes, indeed. You just got to go from there. Yeah. So, yeah, this is my review about the new opportunity for 2026. Mailbox bank system. You can earn $200 payout at all times. All right, I'm going to come back with you again with another video. Thank you.